The wisest men know that the greatest world is not outside them. They could, in Shakespeare's phrase, be bounded by a nutshell and count themselves kings of infinite space. What of the outer drear as long as there's inner light, as long as the sun of cheer shines ardently bright, as long as the soul's a wing, as long as the heart is true? What power hath trouble to bring a sorrow to you? No bar can encage the soul, nor capture the spirit free, as long as old earth shall roll, or ours shall be. Our world is the world within, our life is the thought we take, and never an outer sin can mar it or break. Brood not on the rich man's land, sigh not for miser's gold, holding in reach of your hand the treasure untold that lies in the mines of heart, that rests in the soul alone. Bid worry and care depart, come into your own.